Hello, my name is Noor Mu'taz and I'll be talking about COVID-19.
This is the structure of COVID-19. First, we have the hemagglutinin stereoisomer, which is also known as HE. Then we have the E protein, which is yellow colored. Then we have the RNA and N protein, which are very important because they are used to make RNA vaccines. Then we have M protein, which is green colored. Then we have spike glycoprotein. It acts like a fingerprint to help the body identify the virus. Let's dive in the body and take a look on how our body helps protect us from viruses like COVID-19. Our immune system acts like an army. Its enemy is the virus, and it's trying to protect us.
We have been attacked by a virus.
B and T cells are very important parts in the immune system. They originate from hematopoietic stem cells, which come from the bone marrow. B cells have receptors that can recognize antigens. The receptors that are on the B cells bind to the antigens that are on the surface of the harmful substances like viruses. Phagocytosis happens as the B cells engulf the antigens that are on the substances and break them down. B cells keep some parts of the virus or the harmful substance that aren't as harmful in a complex called major histocompatibility complex 2. This allows helper T cells to bond with the major histocompatibility complex 2. Therefore, lymphokines are released, which can help make more duplications of the B cells. Plasma cells make antibodies that are compatible with the antigens that are on the virus based on the major histocompatibility complex that is on the duplicated B cell. When a cell is infected by a bacteria or a virus, it produces viral peptides. Cytotoxic T cells can identify the viral peptide on the surface of the infected cell. Cytotoxic T cells bind to the infected cell and release cytotoxins, which causes apoptosis, which is the programmed cell death.
COVID-19 spreads really easily. That's why vaccines are made. Vaccines were first made in 1796 by Edward Jenner. Life-attenuated and inactive vaccines are two important types of vaccines. Inactive vaccines are the dead form of the virus. The life-attenuated contains the virus, but after removing the dangers, or RNA vaccines are another type of vaccines. They take the sequence that code for spike protein and make mRNA sequence, then they're injected into the body. The immune cell gets spike protein because of the injected sequence, so the immune system thinks that it has been infected by the virus. All three types of vaccines cause an immune response, as if the body has been infected. They keep important records so that if it comes, they can attack it. It is just like a plane simulation where the pilot learns about the environment before flying a real plane. Vaccines can cause disease enhancement, which means that it can make the disease worse. So it's first tried on 20 to 80 people, then 100 people, then several thousand people. COVID-19 can be eliminated by development of a vaccine.
We won the battle against COVID-19.